Keito, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make dumpling skin ghosts. You will need dumpling skin, some salt, olive oil, foil, some cooking scissors, a knife, and straws. First, get the dumpling skin and cut out ghost shapes. Then, you can add eyes or mouths with the straws. Now, put the ghosts on the foil and put the olive oil on the ghost. Finally, put your ghosts in the toaster oven and wait until they're crispy. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes. It depends on how thick your dumpling skin is. Finally, sprinkle some salt on your ghosts to add some more taste. Happy Halloween!